Today we're making a one-pan wonder that's packed with bold Mexican-inspired flavors with very minimal effort. This beef and rice skillet is hearty, delightful, and perfect for a quick, no-fuss meal. Hello everyone, I'm Farhad and thanks for tuning in today. If you have been following me for a while, you know I'm a big fan of one-pan dishes. They are quick, easy, convenient, and also budget friendly. Let's discover another scrumptious one-pan dish you can prepare in no time. So the first thing we want to do is cook the ground beef. It's 90% lean. You can also use ground chicken or turkey if you like. So this is going to take about 4 or 5 minutes to cook. And then once it's fully cooked, we're going to drain the excess liquid and then add the other ingredients. So on medium heat, took about 4 minutes. So now I'm going to start by adding the onions. That's half a large onion diced. Let me cook this about a minute or so. Okay, now I'm adding 1 diced green pepper and 1 diced yellow pepper. The colors are optional. You can use red, green, yellow, whatever you like. Whatever color, doesn't matter. So I'm going to cook this for another minute. Okay, now we're ready to add the 4 cloves of garlic chopped. And we're going to cook it for about 30 seconds or so. I still have it on medium heat. Okay, now we're going to add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. And mix that well. And then 1 tablespoon, I start with 1 tablespoon of no sodium or low sodium. This is a no sodium taco seasoning. And then you can add more later if you want, but that's where I started. We're going to mix well. Some salt and pepper. And then I'm going to add 1 cup of reduced sodium beef base and 1 cup of, now this is a partially cooked brown rice. You can purchase this from your supermarket. So this would reduce the cooking time by about 8 minutes if you use, instead of using a raw rice. So this is a time saving. Now I put 1 cup. You can go ahead and put 2 cups if you want. But I think 1 cup is plenty. So now we're going to let that cook for a minute or so. So next I'm going to add a can of black beans. 1 can is about 16 ounces. And then mix well. 1 can of pinto beans. That's also about 16 ounces. And then 15 ounces of salsa. You can use medium, hot, anything you like. Now we're going to put the lid back and simmer this for 10 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes. Let's check it out. Yes, we're good here. All right. We got two more things to do. First is top it off with cheese, shredded mozzarella cheddar cheese mixed. You can use any kind of cheese you like. So, and then I'm going to put the lid back and wait another few minutes until cheese is melted. Okay, the last thing. This is totally optional. Some fresh chopped cilantro. And there you have it. We are ready to enjoy this dish. So this serves, as you can see, 6 to 8 people easily, or just enjoy it for 2-3 days. The next day is even better. Bon appetit. Everybody coming back for second and third, including me. Now keep in mind, for the vegan option, instead of the meat, add 1 extra can of black beans and use vegetable broth instead of beef broth. And then adjust the ingredients, any ingredients to your liking. Also, one more thing to add to this would be a fresh jalapeno. So that's just a recommendation. Again, thank you for joining me today. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with family and friends. And leave me any comments or questions you may have. I'm also going to leave this recipe down below the description. I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and take care.